Welcome and thank you for joining me to learn more about the Business Tax Incentive Program from American Benefits Exchange. My name is Val Majewski, Vice President of Sales and Marketing here at ABX. And this is an opportunity to assist small businesses that you're familiar with or that you currently work with, friends, people in your community. It's a way to put more money in their pockets. And over the next couple minutes, we're going to explain exactly what this opportunity is, the types of businesses that qualify, what's in it for you, and as well as the business owner, and what the next steps are. So let's just dive right in. And first of all, what is this opportunity? Well, there are many government programs and incentives that are out there and available to businesses of all shapes and sizes. Unfortunately, not everybody is an expert or is aware of all of these opportunities. There are millions of lines of tax code, and a lot of businesses and CPAs are just, like I said, not either aware of these or just don't know how to take advantage of the different programs that they're entitled to. There are studies and data out there that explain that about 19 out of 20 businesses that are qualified for these benefits that we're talking about today are not claiming them. Why? Well, the same article goes on to say that small and medium-sized companies complain that many of the tax deductions, incentives, rebates, all these programs are either too cumbersome or too confusing and not worth the time and effort to go through it. We'll share with you why it is exactly the opposite. But this is an opportunity for you to go into a company and basically say, look, if there's an opportunity for us to recover monies that you've overpaid the government in your taxes, is it something you'd be interested in? I would have to say that 100% of the companies that I've talked to would not want to pay any more tax than they have to, and their ears perk up. It's an opportunity for you to go in to a qualifying company, and we'll share with you what types of businesses qualify. Go into a qualifying company, and just say, look, there's a way in which we can recover you monies that you may have overpaid. We can do an initial consultation, an initial assessment of your current status, and review your previous year's tax returns. This is a no obligation, no fee. And if we do find you something, we'll share it with you, and we'll say, look, you have the opportunity to claim, and this is a rough estimate to start. And if you want to move forward, here's how the process works. Most companies I'm talking to, again, are not going to want to pay more than they have to and are interested in getting back money that they've overpaid to the government. That's the opportunity. We'll share with you more in training videos and things of that nature if you want to move forward. But again, essentially, you're going into a company, hey, if there's a way that I can get you back money that you've overpaid in taxes, would you be interested? 100%. Next, what types of companies qualify? Well, there's various industries that can take advantage of this, but the low-hanging fruit are those that are in the manufacturing and construction industries, engineering, textiles, agriculture, automotive, software development companies, food processing, dentists, chiropractors, those that are in oil and gas, agriculture, chemicals and plastics, waste or website development, paper and forest products. Basically, if you are in any type of company that spends time, money, effort, resources in researching and developing something, improving a product or a process, manufacturing something, you do some kind of research and development and you have expenses for that, then you will qualify for these types of incentives. Now, how much money you qualify for is going to vary upon the type of company, the amount of taxes they've already paid. Is this company profitable? Do they pay taxes? Again, if you don't pay any taxes, there's no recovery because there's nothing to get back from the government. But is the company profitable? Do they currently pay taxes? Are they in one of these industries that I just mentioned? I mean, there's many more that would qualify, but those are kind of the low-hanging fruit. Well, then you may be entitled to a type of recovery based on your business activities and the types of behaviors that you exhibit. So we'll go on to the next part of this, and what's in it for you and what's in it for the company. Well, I'll start with the company. say we talk to ABC Inc. and they qualify based on their behaviors and activities. We say, okay, let's fill out a business application. Let's submit your previous 3 years tax returns, and we're going to provide you with an analysis that shows an estimate of your potential recovery. If there is no recovery based upon your tax returns, then there is no obligation, no cost, no fee. Say we come back and say, look, based upon our findings, you are estimated to get back about $100,000 for the previous 3 years. What is the next step moving forward? Well, then the company would then pay a fee based upon the total recovery, and you as the representative, in this case, just a consultant in the deal. You're not a licensed agent, you're not selling an insurance product, you're a consultant bringing the company and our CPA partners together. You are going to be entitled to a percentage of the fee as your commission. And trust me, we'll get into more details as we move forward, but it's definitely worth your time, effort to make this happen. And we can go over a few more examples once we talk about the next steps and you go through the next steps. We'll have more examples to go through and share with you some real case studies of what's actually been recovered for our clients. So again, the business owner gets more money into their pocket. They're going to get money that they've overpaid to the government plus some interest. You are going to get paid a percentage of the total fee as a consultant, and that will be your commission. And again, trust me, it's definitely worth your time and effort. If you understand this and you're saying, well, okay, Val, what's the next step? What do I need to do? How do I get started? It's very simple. It's like contracting with an insurance carrier or getting signed up to write a new product on the insurance side. There is an agent contract or a consulting agreement that we need you to sign. So we get your consulting agreement. Once we get that in, you'll understand how your commissions work. After that, we can give you access to all the training material that we have, recorded webinars, recorded trainings, marketing pieces, walk you through the steps to really go through the entire process so you can help out as many businesses in your area or nationally as you see fit. If you live in Texas, like our office is based in, and you have a client in California, by all means, you can talk to that client in California. We can work in all 50 states. So again, how do you get started? You need to express some interest to us. We will send you the consulting agreement, get that signed, filed away, and we can get you trained up, get you some more detailed information about the program and how it works. Well, how do you get in contact with us? Well, again, my name is Val. My contact information is here. This is my direct phone number as well as my email address. You can also reach us in our main office at the number listed here or at agency@thinkabx.com. So again, appreciate you taking just a few minutes of your time to learn more about the business tax incentive program with American Benefits Exchange. Contact us should you want to move forward and learn more about this process and how you can help businesses in your area as well as around the country. Thank you again, and we'll talk to you real soon.